improved energy levels, better skin health, enhanced cardiovascular function, and a sharper cognitive state. I think we all want those, right? Do you feel overwhelmed a lot? Or do you struggle to stay focused? I know I do. And what if I told you that a natural supplement can help sharpen your mind and increase your resilience to stress? Today, I want to dive into the fascinating world of NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, and its incredible potential to improve focus and help you manage stress better. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is NMN? NMN, or nicotinamide mononucleotide, has garnered significant attention for its potential to combat aging by addressing one of the root causes of cellular decline, the reduction of NAD, or levels, right? NAD is a vital coenzyme involved in energy production, DNA repair, and maintaining overall cellular function. Think of NAD as our body's fuel, helping us perform at our best, both mentally and physically. However, as we age, NAD levels naturally decline, leading to a reduced cellular efficiency, increased oxidative stress, and a greater susceptibility to age-related diseases. Supplementing with NMN helps replenish NAD levels, revitalizing cellular energy production and enhancing the body's ability to repair DNA damage, which is crucial for longevity and the prevention of age-related deterioration. NMN is not the only precursor to NAD. NAD is synthesized from a variety of precursors: L-tryptophan, nicotinic acid, nicotinamide riboside, and NMN. Another thing that happens as our NAD levels decline with age is that we often notice reduced focus, lower energy, and a greater vulnerability to stress. That's where NMN comes in. By boosting NAD levels, NMN restores cellular function, which directly impacts our brain's health and stress response. Additionally, NMN activates sirtuins, a group of proteins often referred to as longevity genes. Sirtuins regulate cellular health, protect against inflammation, and promote DNA stability, right? And by boosting NAD levels, NMN enhances sirtuin activity, which in turn slows down the processes associated with aging, such as cellular senescence and mitochondrial dysfunction. This results in improved energy levels, better skin health, enhanced cardiovascular function, and a sharper cognitive state. I think we all want those, right? These anti-aging benefits make NMN a promising supplement for those of us seeking to maintain vitality, reduce age-related decline, and support overall longevity. So now let's talk more about focus. Staying sharp and mentally alert requires a steady supply of energy to the brain, and this is where NMN really shines. By boosting NAD levels, NMN supports the mitochondria, your brain's powerhouses, ensuring that your neurons get the energy they need to fire efficiently. Imagine being able to work on a challenging task without getting distracted or experiencing that, mid-afternoon brain fog. Wouldn't it be nice? NMN doesn't just boost focus, it optimizes your brain's environment for peak performance. Now let's move to stress resilience. Did you know that stress is not just a psychological response? At the cellular level, stress can cause inflammation, disrupt energy production, and even damage DNA. This is where NMN's ability to restore NAD levels becomes a game changer. With higher NAD levels, your cells can better repair damage caused by stress and maintain optimal energy levels. This doesn't just help your body recover, it improves how you mentally cope with stress, giving you more clarity and emotional stability during challenging situations. Whether it's a tough, shitty day at work, or a big exam, or you're just managing life's difficulties, NMN can help you bounce back faster and stay mentally strong. So what does the science say? A study published in Cell Metabolism found that boosting NAD levels with NMN improved mitochondrial function and reduced inflammation, both of which are critical for brain health. Another study on aging mice showed improved cognitive function and a greater resilience to stress after NMN supplementation. And it's not just animal studies. Early human trials are showing similar promise, with participants reporting increased mental clarity, better focus, and reduced feelings of stress. Here are the key benefits of NMN on focus and stress resilience. 1. Boosts brain energy. 2. Protects against oxidative stress. 3. Enhances neurotransmitter function. 4. Reduces inflammation. 5. Improves emotional resilience. Now let's talk about how you can incorporate NMN into your daily routine. Most experts recommend taking 250 to 500 milligrams of NMN daily, ideally in the morning on an empty stomach. This timing ensures that you'll benefit from the energy and focus boost throughout your day. I take 500 milligrams in the morning with my green tea. I recently switched my morning coffee with green tea so that I can take NMN on an empty stomach. But I love coffee and I could never give that up. I'll just have my first cup after breakfast now. It was a bit hard at first, but worth it, I think. Make sure you're using a high-quality supplement from a reputable brand. Look for NMN that's pure, lab-tested, and free from unnecessary fillers. I take NMN by a company called PARTIQLAR. PARTIQLAR offers an amazing line of high-quality supplements, and their prices are really, really good. There are a lot of companies out there selling supplements, some of them quite suspicious, and it's not easy to figure out what is a solid product and what isn't. PARTIQLAR is very transparent, disclosing their suppliers, manufacturing facilities, and third-party test results. And on Trustpilot, they have an excellent rating, and I always check a company's ratings on Trustpilot. I take both their NMN as well as their TMG supplement. Their NMN capsules contain 99% pure stabilized NMN. With a potent dose of 500 milligrams of NMN per capsule, PARTIQLAR recommends a single daily serving. This dosage is among the highest available for those of us seeking a significant boost in our NAD levels, and I always prefer a capsule over powder. I already put way too much stuff into my smoothies. PARTIQLAR's pure NMN is third-party tested, ensuring that the product meets the label claims for purity and ingredient quality. And this testing is conducted in the US, and it is based with the FDA and the NSF registered facilities that adhere to strict GMP standards, providing an additional layer of trust and assurance for consumers. The manufacturing process for PARTIQLAR's pure NMN takes place in the US in facilities that are not only GMP certified, but also recognized by NSF and UL. From December 10th to December 17th, PARTIQLAR offers 20% off their entire gift ideas category, which includes a mystery gift. It's adenine, which I take and love. So check out the link below for special offers on supplements from PARTIQLAR. All right, back to the video now. From improving your focus and boosting your energy to building resilience against stress, NMN has the potential to elevate your mental and emotional well-being. Here are 3 more big reasons to supplement with NMN. 1. NMN boosts cellular energy production. NAD levels naturally decline with age, unfortunately, leading to decreased energy production in cells. NMN helps restore NAD levels, supporting mitochondrial function and enhancing cellular energy metabolism. This boost in energy can improve physical endurance, reduce fatigue, and enhance overall vitality. Next, it promotes healthy aging. NAD is critical for DNA repair and the activation of sirtuins, proteins associated with longevity and cellular health. NMN supplementation may slow down age-related cellular damage, reduce inflammation, and protect against age-related diseases. Research suggests NMN can improve markers of aging, such as better muscle function, improved metabolic health, and potentially increased lifespan. Next, it improves cardiovascular and metabolic health. NMN can support cardiovascular health by enhancing blood vessel function and improving blood flow. It has been linked to better glucose metabolism, reduced insulin resistance, and protection against metabolic disorders such as diabetes. These benefits are particularly valuable for maintaining cardiovascular health with age. So why can't you buy NMN on Amazon? Well, the FDA has issued a ruling that NMN does not fit the requirements to be sold as a dietary supplement, since Metrobiotech is investigating it for use as a prescription drug. Now, the supplement industry is fighting this ruling in court, and hopefully they will win this battle, much like they did with NAC or N-acetylcysteine in 2021. While it is being litigated in the courts, the FDA cannot stop the sales of NMN. However, Amazon and some other retailers have pulled NMN from their websites until the issue is resolved. But you can still get NMN from companies like PARTIQLAR. And start with a low dose and gradually increase as your body adapts. I take 500 milligrams daily and my energy levels have been strong and steady. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below for special offers from PARTIQLAR, and I will see you next time. Take care.